This is الدرس الثامن عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط, the connectors. So we're in lesson 18 of the connectors, and we're looking at drill 1, تمرين واحد. Here in this drill, the exercise is a little bit more challenging than you've had before because you will put in both connectors and words that complete the meaning of the sentence. So previously you have had to provide connectors, but the context is pretty much given to you. And or you will be given the connectors and then the additional words that provide context will be required of you. But here, this is more challenging because you have to provide both connectors and additional words. So in number 1 here, for example, we have blank الشاعر يبدأ في إلقاء blank حتى صفق له blank. So here you're going to say no sooner had the poet begun giving his poem than the participants began clapping for him, or those present began clapping for him. So here you're going to provide the ما كاد الشاعر يبدأ في إلقاء قصيدته. Okay, see, إلقاء قصيدته here is giving his poem. حتى صفق له الحاضرون. So I just gave you clues here for number 1, but then in the following numbers, you're going to provide the answers. I'm just going to explain some of the context in Arabic. Number 2, blank أجريت له العملية الجراحية. Blank had the operation begun. Blank that he died on the spot. 3, ما أن دخل blank قاعة الاجتماعات blank عزفت blank السلام الوطني. No sooner had blank entered the hall, the gathering hall, then blank played the national anthem. 4, لا يكاد الضابط يأمر blank بالانسحاب حتى يسرع بتنفيذ blank. No sooner had the officer ordered blank to draw back than they immediately and quickly implemented blank. 5, لم تكد blank. Now here it shouldn't be توقف so that the second dhamma should be a kasra. لم تكد blank توقف صرف المرتبات حتى blank عمال المصانع عن blank. No sooner had or as soon as the blank stopped providing the salaries, then as soon as blanks stopped providing the salaries, then the workers of the factory blank. 6, blank يصلان إلى المطار blank تذكرا أنهما نسيا جوازات السفر. Blank they had arrived at the airport. Blank the two of them remembered that they had forgotten their passports. 7, blank المديرة تدخل blank حتى اتصل بها blank. Blank the manager, the female manager or the female supervisor entered blank, then so and so contacted her. In 8 we have لم blank المريضة تتناول blank did not, the sick person, the sick lady, was not blank to eat blank than blank much better. Improvement or much improvement. 9 blank ندرس أدوات blank حتى blank نستعمل بعضها في موضوعات الإنشاء والتعبير. Blank we studied the connectors, then blank we were using some of them in our writing and expression. blank إلى مكتبه حتى يطلب من blank فنجان قهوة. Blank to his office, then he asked for a blank of coffee. 11 blank تفتح الجامعات blank حتى تمتلئ blank بالقراء. Blank the universities opened blank then their blank were filled with readers. Number 12 لم blank المجرم يخرج من blank حتى ارتكب blank أخرى. So the no blank had the criminal left from the blank until such that he committed a blank another blank. So that should help you to some degree. This is a difficult drill, but I think with that context, it should help you to complete these sentences. You can look at a dictionary to find words that you think will be appropriate along with the connectors. مع السلامة.